Okay, Frank, I'm going to give you some feedback here. First thing is you didn't share it properly. Thought you would, but you didn't. You share this, clicking on this, and then anyone with link, but you have to click edit status, so because I can't get it. For some reason you put not applied. That's not true. You need to finish the Gen AI activity for week 1. So that's incomplete. You're building a custom chatbot in education, looks like, to develop critical thinking skills. Um, so just 15 minutes on that, so that's pretty short. Um, you kind of use this paragraph format, but you're really supposed to use this prompt to give you in-class reflections. The reason you need to do this is you need to justify your grade. And you're going to be missing areas, and it's best to use this format. Use the prompt, use the format. I don't see any reflection on your here, and I don't see a reflection here. So this is quite incomplete. And then you have this, but you didn't follow this format where you need to have a a 2 to 3 sentence description. So week 1 is largely incomplete. And week 2, GI tools or assistant, not my boss, executive summary, and then, okay, so this is pretty short for a summary. Um, and let's see, and it's not APA format, so that's a problem. Again, you can throw those articles in and then get APA format from ChatGPT as long as you say APA 7 and take a look. So you've done this, but it's very short, and you haven't done a reflection on it. So I need the reflection as well. So that's incomplete. And then your personal project, I don't have access to that. So you haven't given me access, so I can't see that. So that's incomplete. Group require, and I don't have access to that. That's incomplete. And this is a minimal description. So overall, remember we talked about being frustrated? You, you have to actually be more diligent with self-assessment. You have to give me a really, because when you look at this and you say, hey, I deserve an A, I'm going to say, sorry, you didn't do this Gen A activity. You didn't do a reflection. You spent 15 minutes on a project. You didn't use the prompt here. You didn't describe your resource adequately. You didn't do a reflection here. You did a very minimal sort of summary of these of the benefits and challenges with no real evidence of actually doing the activity. There is no prompt summary, and there's I can't have you don't have access, so I don't have any access to your files. I don't even know if maybe I can get them. I don't know. No, I can't. So you got to clean this up and toot sweet so you can get these done really well. You didn't use the prompt here for this, for your class reflections, didn't summarize. I know you contributed in class, but you have to make this case. The dean comes to me and says, why does Frank deserve an A? And if I hand this, I get fired. Not quite, but I would certainly get reprimanded. So chop chop, let's get this up to standard. Okay.